reset administrator password in Windows 11? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. If you're using Microsoft account and logged into Windows client, you want to reset the Microsoft account password online via heading over to this link, account.live.com/password/reset. If not, then the next step is to enable built-in administrator account. For that, restart your computer and press F8 key repeatedly until you see the Advanced Boot Options menu. Click Save Mode with Command Prompt. In the Command Prompt window, type net user administrator /active:\yes and press Enter. Now restart the computer and log in as the administrator. Change your account to an administrator account. Now log in with your account and now you have administrator permission, so you can easily change your password. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.